Hi, and welcome to 4140 Loma Riviera Lane in beautiful San Diego, California. This gorgeous 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome features a stunning remodeled kitchen with quartz counters, high-end Viking stainless steel appliances, and an eat-in dining room. There is a ton of storage, and all of the closets have custom organizers. All 3 bathrooms have been remodeled. Other features include 2 gas fireplaces, real hardwood floors, dual-paned windows and doors, dual-zoned central heat and air, a full-size private laundry room, and 2 off-street covered parking spaces. The sun-drenched bedrooms have Berber carpet, vaulted wood beam ceilings, sliders to private balconies, and the master has a romantic gas fireplace. Enjoy coffee on your very private enclosed patio or barbecue with friends and family. Or open up your back gate to the secluded dog walking area and take your dog for a walk. Loma Riviera is a well-maintained Spanish-style complex in the coveted Ocean Beach Point Loma neighborhood of San Diego. It was built during an era when everything was done generously. Well-manicured grassy areas plus trees and beautiful landscaping make this feel like a private residence. There is a large clubhouse, a sparkling pool, and entertainment areas that can be rented out for events. It is blocks to the beach, the dog park and dog beach, and the Famosa Slough Bird Sanctuary. It has easy freeway access, shopping nearby, and is also close to restaurants and nightlife. Ocean Beach is known for its charm and character and a funky beach style all its own. It is quite possibly one of the last beaches of its kind in Southern California. This floor plan is the largest in the complex, and these opportunities don't come up often. If you love beach living and you want a spacious, turnkey home, what are you waiting for? Call me today to make this dream your reality.